You always are. I'll finish this and get back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Yvonne and I make lifestyle and these days food related content. So if you're interested, do consider subscribing to the channel. So today being Children's Day, I brought a very special video wherein I'll be living my childhood day. My childhood days actually for a day today. And I'm very excited for this video because I'm going to eat everything that I love through my childhood and I used to have it like for most of my days. I'm going to recreate everything today. I'm going to share with you all. Also, I'm going to come to know some secrets about my childhood. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So here I have my favorite chini ka paratha. I used to have it a lot during my childhood, so today even I'm going to have that and a few nuts over here, assorted nuts. So this is my whole breakfast. So now let's have it. I used to have this chini ka paratha a lot and mostly my breakfast used to comprise of this only. So that's why, so today when I'm reliving my childhood, I have to have this. You can even tell me what was your breakfast during your childhood. What was your favorite breakfast during your childhood? So here is mine, chini ka paratha. So let's have it. The same taste, so delicious. I'm really hit by nostalgia. So now I'm going to enjoy this very slowly and then I'll see you at lunchtime. So the previous clips that you have seen was of me having breakfast and after that I went out to get some treasures. And as children, our treasures were very simple, chocolates. So see what all I found. So see, this is the first find of mine, which is Time Bomb. How many of you all remember this? Even you got a black one in it, but he did not have it, so I got the red one. So let's have it. Okay, it opened. Now come out, at least it's going to stay inside only. There's a red bomb inside. And now let's have this. So here is a time bomb. You always are. I'll finish this and get back. So after the time bomb, which is really a bomb, here I got what is this? Meeta flavored candy. This is similar to mango bite, but I could not get mango bite. This is one of our childhood's most favorite candy, which is kacha aam. This is hajmola and sabka favorite gems. So these are all the treasures. So obviously I'm not going to have all of that now after having time bomb. That was really a bomb which bursted in my mouth. Okay. So now I'm going to just change my hot ka flavor and I'll see you all now for lunch. Hi guys, welcome back. So now it's lunch time and today for lunch I'm having one of my most staple and occasion wala khana, which is chicken curry with some nice rice. Usually we have pulao, but today I made some plain jeera rice because I was feeling like eating something different. So have a look at it first. So this is some yummy jeera rice and some gravy. This is some Mughlai chicken gravy which mom has made today and the chilies for decoration, okay? So now let's have it. First I'll just remove this chili out. So delicious. It's nice and warm and now the temperatures also are changing here also, and this warm food is really making me feel very comfortable and very nice and reminding me of my childhood days. So now I'll enjoy my lunch and see you all at tea time. Hey guys, guys, welcome back. So now it's tea time, and today for tea time I'm gonna have one of my most favorite biscuits, which are bourbon biscuits, and also some chocolate milk. When I was a child, my mom used to give me a big, such a big glass of chocolate milk with some Horlicks or something like that. But now I'm not gonna have that, obviously, because I'm not small anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna have this chocolate milk, and I'll show you all how it looks first. So biscuits, so you all know it looks like that only, and this is the chocolate milk what I'm having today. And now let's have this. So I'll start with the biscuits. You know, in my channel I used to open it like that and lick it, but I'm not doing that. Okay, so we'll just have the biscuit. Also, I'm sure even you all must be doing that only, opening, licking, and then eating it. Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section if you'll do it or no. And now for the chocolate milk. Yeah, just shake it before using. Really delicious. Really creamy chocolate milk. And the packaging looks so cute. Just look at it. It's so tiny and so cute. The brand is really nice. It's what? Smooth from Parle. So if you get a chance, do try the chocolate milk. It's really nice. And I'm going to enjoy everything, and then I'll see you all at dinner time. Hey guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. So now it's dinner time, and I have changed to something very comfortable and everything, and I look tired as well, I know, because I had a very busy kind of day today. So it's only a frame shift for you guys, but at the back end there's a lot of things happening, and I am considering to do vlogging as well. So if you are interested, do let me know in the comment section below. And I'm really hungry, so for dinner today I have, I'll show you all from a close-up way. I have a very delicious looking chicken burger. Just look at it. I don't want to even want to open it and show, because all the veggies will fall out. So let's have it. So here is a massive burger. Just trying it. Here. It's so juicy. Butter and a store-bought burger, and this burger is made by my mom, and I think she's put up this recipe on her channel as well. So I'll leave a link of it in my description box, so you can click on it and check it out and try this really juicy burger. So now I'm going to enjoy this burger, and then I'll catch you all for dessert. So guys, now it's a favorite time of my day, which is desserts. And today for dessert I have one of my most favorite and the most commonly prepared dessert in my house, that is jelly and custard. Whether it was a big occasion in our house or whether it was an achievement of ours or anything, our first go-to dessert was jelly and custard. I don't know why, but it was like that. And on Children's Day, I feel like I've got back all those memories and everything having this jelly and custard. So you'll have a look at it. But before that, the recipe of this I'm going to share it as a reel on my Instagram, and this is my handle over here. You can go and watch the reel over there. And first have a look now and see how the jelly and custard looks. So we used to usually have the jelly and custard with ice cream, but today I am not going to have ice cream because it's winters and I'm already having a little bit of cold. So I'm going to skip the ice cream. The jelly and custard is there, so have a look at it. Just look at how the jelly wriggles, guys. So come on, let's dig into it now. So here guys is my delicious looking jelly and custard, and it's already looking very tasty and I cannot wait to have it. So let's have this delicious dessert now. So let's dig into our dessert. If I forget to say bye to you all, I'll just finish this video, and I hope you'll enjoy this Children's Day special video wherein I shared a lot of my childhood memories with you guys, and also a lot of food that I used to have as a child, and I hope you all enjoyed watching it. Also, don't forget to comment down which was your favorite food and desserts in your childhood. Also guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting on that red subscribe button and also that bell next to it that will notify you all each time I upload a new video. Also guys, please like this video as much as you all can, because that motivates me and also helps me get new videos for you guys. And also don't forget to let me know if I should vlog in the comment section below. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Till then, bye.